Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nvidia price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the all-time history, we have 112 here for Nvidia, looking for a wave 3 for N5 toward the upside in the yellow scenario, finishing a wave 3 in the orange, and we're looking of course for a correction for a wave 4 and then continuation potentially toward the upside for a wave 5. Your wave 4 is a sideways flat, while your wave 2 as alternation here in the orange scenario is a very fast zigzag, perfect alternation and perfect in time. As you can see, this green 1-to-1 fib time taken from this very fast impulse, zigzag of a wave 2, and based on the wave 3 here, we got of course the perfect time for a wave 4. If we move inside it on the 4-hour chart, we can see that the following scenario as a WXNY potentially has finished taking the low with a few cents or dollars and hitting the 1-to-1 fib level as well, of course, after A, B, and a C for a wave Y. If we dive even much more closer on the 1-hour chart here, we have of course a potential after this bottom here, we have a potential of ABC zigzag toward the upside. Now, how we can take it as a bullish scenario here? The only possible scenario to take it as a bullish scenario, meaning to move toward the upside, again, as a recovery for the Nvidia, is to consider this as a wave 1 for, of course, leading diagonal. In this case scenario, we're looking for a wave 2 correction, and then you would like to see, of course, impulse correction, impulse toward the upside for a wave 3. Is this exactly what is going on right now? Well, if we dive inside this at the 15-minute chart, well, this is exactly what is going on right now. Basically, we have, of course, a wave 1 here, wave 2, very impulsive wave 3, hitting almost the 1.618. It doesn't matter. That means the 1.27 has been hit, which is uncommon target normally, but even very close for the 1.618 as well. Considering this definitely a wave 3 and a continuation toward the upside, as you can see, for a wave 5. And this wave 5 is unfolding right now as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially, of course, it can be an impulse, long impulse again, or it can be an ending diagonal. Don't forget this. Yeah. Now, in case it is an ending diagonal, well, that would be a smaller wave A, meaning we can get, of course, a wave B and then a second impulse for wave C. You want to simply take the high here, definitely, as 1, 2, and then 3. The targets for this wave 3 in Nvidia right now, we can start targeting since we got a bottom here, and we got, of course, a bottom for the wave 2. So your wave 3 as diagonal is the following target: 122, 119. And this would be a perfect target, of course, for a wave 3. In case we hit it exactly here, that would be a good, of course, scenario, a good pass for this leading diagonal, potentially for a wave 5. And what does it mean, guys, leading diagonal? Meaning, of course, wave 1 here. Once you finish a leading diagonal wave 5, you finish a wave 1, you get a 3 waves down for wave 2, and then explosion toward the upside back to take the all-time high. So that's very impressive. And of course, this is what I'm still looking for, a wave 5 to be finished, whether it is longer or shorter as ending diagonal. You would like to see, of course, a correction after it, and then continuation again toward the upside impulsively to finish a zigzag A, B, and a C for a wave 3 in leading diagonal. That was it for Nvidia. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.